kwakira Agacencwire ibiro byo kwezi 2013 kwezi no kwa mukaga umwaka ni 2025 Serena Nuwamanya nyine Sande brand nito turabe tutwara Agacencwire agutwatebekanisa omwebasyo gunitsa kwakira mtu y'amakuru turagaruce tuje tugakusiyeho ombwijwire
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kushyirwaho
Rosefoam. At Rosefoam, we deliver in real time.
Rosefoam. Hey, Rosefoam. I'm sending it.
Agacencwire kireki President Museveni yatongoza okora oruguuto rwa Kisoro mu Gahinga.
This road is for the people of Kisoro. It's not for the people of Egypt.
Embera ey'amashomero gamwe gambara City House garumo neshwazana.
Obuzibu twine classes situ ninche munonga.
Endwara ya Mpox government etandikire ehuriro yo kujanjabira abarwiro mu makagabo omurembarara.
Tokora university ya kana. You avoid handshaking.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushyirwaho
Rosefoam. At Rosefoam, we deliver in real time.
Rosefoam. Hey, Rosefoam. I'm sending it.
Agacencwire ombwijwire President Museveni obwajwekizo mwezi wa speaker w'ihanga yatongoza okora enguuto eya Kisoro mu Gahinga road.
Honorable Thomas Tayebwa omwezi wa speaker w'ishindio lihanga obwajwekire mukuru w'ihanga yahamza abantu ba Kisoro ngo okora enguuto nk'ihanga nibakwebembeza munonga obwagumizo ngw'entunguko kubaho n'enguuto zine kubazikozure.
Kandi agaruka yasima abakwatanisa n'itwe aba banka ya Africa kabo kworo rugudo sente zirijo mu government ya Uganda no mu banka ya Africa. Ekindi president yashaba oliyo naza kororo ngu agezeho ebintu bimwe kamabare kebyo kurya nebyo kozesa abiho muri mwabataka.
Honorable Katumba Wamala, Minister w'enshonga z'emirimo n'entambula mu ihanga yagamba hakora orugutoro.
These are more towards promoting tourism, but also enabling the communities to move and trade better. Once completed, this project will facilitate the development of the tourism industry, as already alluded to by the local leadership, and also enhance accessibility of Kabale and Kisoro.
Mweto azeje mugumiza mwini mukore mirimo yanyu muhamire akimshibwe kwani mukore.
Katumba yashaba batura okwatanisa n'aba contractor okureba ngo umurimo gwatambura kurungi.
This is your project. This road is for the people of Kisoro. It's not for the people of Egypt. So be interested in the project. Follow it up closely and see that things are done. You may not be an engineer, but you can as well see if something is not being done right.
Kabare bunyonyi Kisoro mu Gahinga project eji neza kumaraho miliyoni za dola $68 okurwa mu Africa Development Bank gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.
Mebare Kate atuzarirwe obwendware ya Mpox erikweyongera kujanjara omwihanga lyona gavumenti okurabira o ministry y'ebyamagara yatandika ehururu eyo kuragurira abarwira ba Mpox omu maka gabo.
Omukwezi kwa mushanju omwaka gw'2024 gavumenti kurabira omu ministry y'ebyamagara ekaranjirira okubarwaho kw'endwara ya Mpox omwihanga kandi kwihobwe eizire netaho emiringo y'okwerinda endwara egi. Kwihobwe abantu barikuhika 342 nibo barangirirwe kuba barwire endwara egi kandi abandi 31 nibo barikugambwa kuba bafiire. Ahabwa enshonga egi ab'ebyamagara omuri Mbarara barangirire ehuriro y'okutandika kuragurira abantu abarikushangwa bajine omu maka gabo. Abakugu nibarabara abantu ngu endwara egi neetorerana kurabira omu kuteerana n'omuntu ogine, okunywegerana, okukwatana omu ngaro, okukozesa ebikwato nk'eshuka, ebikopo n'omuntu ogirwire.
We make sure one muntu niwamure ukarabanya Mpox you avoid body contact tokurangu embertia kana you avoid handshaking, wash your hands properly, you hugging, kissing, or having sex with an infected person. Wait, it should show having sex with an infected person. Actually, sex is because Mpox.
Tuitu nagira ngu ekyobusaso kwejunisa obupiira ningashi kondom tukuru kutangira okukwatwa Mpox.
Still, noza kuba in touch na ne umbergo noza kuba in touch n'ebirebyo so
tugenda kukirira abantu bengi hati turiyo nitugenda mu mashomero kushomesa abana abashomesa n'abandi bona bakora mu mashomero ekikwatire na Mpox no twakubasa kugerinda nitugenda kukirira abo tweta abashaho abebishaka ninga abafumu n'abandi bona kugira ngo abantu bakuba kurara bazayo barema kuhika omu malwariro so nitwena ngu nabo tubakirire tubashomese bagiraho bareba babasindike bazaha amalwariro ga gavumenti.
Obubonero oburikumanirwaho ngu omuntu agirwire n'okugira oruhere, ekihazi, okuhemberera omuriro, okuteerwa omutwe, okuruha burukire hamwe n'okushanga obuhere burikurugamu amaizi. Endwara ya Mpox neeturizibwa akakooko akarikumanywa nka virus kandi tihariho omubazi ogurikugitambira kureka omubazi ogurikwejunisibwa omu kugiragurira nigucendeeza aha busaasi, okutambira obuhere hamwe n'obundi obumanyiso. Okwiha endwara egi erangirirwa kubarukaho omu ihanga abantu barikuhika 38 nibo bashanjirwe nayo muri Mbarara, 45 nibo bariyo nibatunga okuragurira omu maka gabo kandi 13 bariyo nibatunga okuragurira ah'irwaro rya Mbarara Regional Referral Hospital kandi abantu barikuhika 4 nibo bafiire omuri Mbarara. Amakuru aga gashakwa Edson Kinene.
Tugumizamu n'amakuru no ministry y'obwegese n'emizaano mwihanga erikugezaho okuhindura ahanshomesa eruhuga hati okureta enshomesa erukwera omwegi okugira ekiyayigasiranyensya hakiriho obuzibu buhango cyahika amashomero na munonga agatandikira aha mutsinge gw'ediini garukwerwaho gavumenti obwa hati wahika omu division ya Nyakayojo amashomero agamwe gari mu mbeera mbi munonga.
Ubwanyuma yambarira kuhinduka ururembo mwaka gw'2020 mu kwezi kwa mushanju binjo mbebembeza hamwe n'abantu bavurijo bakoreka ko bari kwijaganyurwa mu cyahika habyo by'obwegese ebyamagara hamwe n'ebyentambara konko bwa hatu wahiko mu division ya Nyakayojo karebe mbere y'amashomero garumo no sigaro rukwebuza gabagariya go mu rurembo
itekano jangu ntuombekerwa tukafuna buri kimwe tukafuna abashomesa nkaganda amashomero tukashakarwa nk'abandi tukafuna imihanda nk'abandi nito twabirege tushemererwa mu state yitu namwe hata no muntu wenka wahika abantu bingi kuba kubagamana ngo genocide batujya ngo turinka barwambara
twete ntene birasi byo kwemeko bintu akwete nje kerenje umbuzi twazimodifying twazikoramo ibirasi so ntwenda batongere batereza amani hari tubona constructing a 3 classroom block kimitseni tumekabani
Orembo rwa mbare y'amashuma ubwahatorerwa amashomero garukurenga 86 kandi agaharumwa abantu buntu hamwe n'agagari hamusinje gwedini a government erukweraho amashomeraga ubwahatagarumwa beje barukurenge mutwaro mukaga 2023 kandi wahika hishomero ryibare rukushanga muri Nyarubungo muri Nyakayojo no shoberwa
twine abashomesa barukushomesa kuyi habeshonga umushomesa namanya kushomesa iyo materiyo yi kunkayaza kujya kwikamba kuko wabona ngeke kashekure kutafamba n'indire kujya kwikamba naje we naratutukire anonjoro muzi anonjoro umwana lecyarigaga babonera ki
classes zitu ninche munonga ezimwezi barumwa abana twarga kuzirambura so classes ezo nso nizenda kugwa so twakubire ntushaba omumbabazi kwasa konyemecherwaho classes 3 nizo ziri umuringo mbe munonga
abembeza abatwireho nyo wijonga ineshomero natayire nebariyeta bugashe one primary school nkagwerwa kagwe nkashanga bakombeka echoronyo ninga toileti y'abana batima futa 25 tamwe yizura kandi nacho cyagaruka cyabaruka so noreba ngo abebembezi tutukufayo na munomono wabo ryo mwebembezo kuyecara abantu takora ubwanyamparo bakweta oversight ukarebe mu magamento kwe kugenda hatobwe ngo buzubo kwijaho
ibara ry'abashomeso mu division age nariyo n'enshonge mweriyo neretere by'ubwegese byagaruke nyuma Nyabugando primary school inabejiga na berna mukaga hamwe n'abashomesa mukaga bonka abarukushashurwa government ibare primary school ya mare myaka erukurenga 30 na hatiteine mushomesa wa government
umuzira abazira binjika kumanya to mwana okuwa ngenza kumutayo no muyagagura harya umushanenzura kegwe mutera amuronde serhuye mwene kunujangwe rito nariyo nruwa abazira bona bakaresera abana ikintu cyonda kibaje
ito abebembezi twataho umunonga kurenga stanere zatu twena bariyo mwebembezi abacharitwe abachabatara kumanye embera y'amashomera ko bake munonga abamoto baragashomeremo bagashomera amashomera gebei ko kito abashomera mu mashomera go nyonka shomera nyamiyaga primary school na rutumuziri primary school naika hati nyoni zako bamemba parliament we cyangeki
enshongeji abarukure by'ubwegesa harurengo rwa City South nibagera ngo necamazima amashomeraga mu division age garukubi
umwana wamukomera ntanda atujanye byo kujya bigatire akabirira ishomero akagaruka mu kirasa ryo nari bomunda ticha no byakwa nashomesa umwana bitakagira ki
amakoraga gashakwa Christopher ahimbiswe
Mebare Christopher ahimsiwe president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yasimenchiriza yobumwe agumurimo gwekozire okureta ho bumwe ombantu hamwe no kwera abantu kubasa gukora namani. President Museveni abera kuriro mukoro ogwo kujaguza amazarwa go mukamarahanga obusobozi bisaka agemyaka 96 chai karwoija kapyemi omutawuni kanso ya muhororo.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asimire mirimo yenyicereza yo bumwe ahabwo kureta ho bumwe mu bicereza
kandi mtwana wange Lusaka kibalizeho ito twikiriza umukurekera abantu obushinge ukoranye kuko bagondeze Basta batarukwenda rejuru rya government betuya abo encourage nuko korora hati uwezo wange Lusaka akabatebeze injiri mwataho mu nchirizeno nurora hati muyongera kukanye
Ona president nazera ngo ahabwenyicerezezi obumwe buruho kandi na rwangwe kahwaho omyanya hwedine zedi
kandi nakozere okuseruza nakimanya ngo mugenzi wange umugurusi Lusaka ngo akaba ari umutebezi wengine w'abakatoliki He was a catechist. He was in the Catholic Church. Hati nyenyana abanyarwanda rumanye nsoro za bayiro. Abantu abaresire enobi nibaro umudi ukunobangana.
Abantu bakizire ndwara zabo bayege obumu hati ekigambo kibe kindi kisigayireho niyo enkurakurana. Omuntu atyo muyikiriza tosobola tibakyamuga umuyikiriza alindwa ruhanga wenyini.
Obushobozi busaka urukwebembere nyicereza y'obumwe asimire President Museveni ahabwo kumwijuka ahamazarwa ge.
Okitinisa President ni kusima bole kuija hamwe n'abayikiriza obumu bole kuija hamwe n'abalemi bawo ba government bona abayisire kiro kya hati bole kuija niyongera kusima habo kuleta obusinge omuyihanga lyaitu erya Uganda.
Nitabarukya nabenyikiriza y'obumubona habo kwika hakiro kino kikuru kandi nibatabarukya muno habo kubungiso obukitinisa President omukuru w'ihanga obwayizire hano oba President kwija akabungo mukichweka kimanyise bintu bingi
kolera hamu nayegesa abantu ekigambo kitaye omaka akikwase n'amaani abokuba bagambira nti nobarabwezira hano kusaba kufuna emigisa urabolekera omuko obwavu okujja kusanga bukulinzire sooku bwehara tuteka kukora n'amaani.
Lilian Orteraho owabirewo RDC wa Kagadi asimira abahereza ahabwo kutamwa amani omukora hamwe.
Batabaruse ekiro kyanyu kikuru ekyo okusya emyaka 96 kandi tulina okushemererwa abwa President Yoweri Museveni kwija kabanu yabo mugeni mukuru kandi tubendu kishaba tubendu kyenda nenda kubatabarusya nenda kubashabira ngo gukora kwanyu twabusha.
Obusobozi busaka hati yasemyaka 96 y'obukuru kandi nyicerezeji yasemyaka 85. Amakuru agagasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze.
Mwebare Thomas Tumwebaze twaza kumuraho tugaruce n'icweka icya kabiri.
Agarukurataho nagakushikibwaho
Movit nerwo mite nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazombane z'imbaho kukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba Movit bakabita mu kishupa kimwe.
Agarukurataho ow'emyaka 35 nasherura obuhwezi bwa miliyoni 7 okushemezibwa
kabinyenda banyambe cyo kubanza cyamana basomesa abana banje abo
mureke kutembere garo mu mahembe abanyishengero barabwira abashubuzi omurishengo
afuna sente ningashikwenda kuri yaroni ningashikwenda kufuna sente ho naho kwenda kuziha ngo banze umanye icyo kuza gukora.
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushikibwaho
Movit nerwo mite nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazombane z'imbaho kukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba Movit bakabita mu kishupa kimwe.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using MoMo.
Hi, Mango Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with MoMo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous, so please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with MoMo. Dial *165 *80 hash and pay school fees with MoMo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
Rosefoam Mpox para here Rosespring na Rosefoam ejini dokuro busas mukashesh nikuko massage ngomuchirochuna
werarenko mwerere nomfaratsi gw'omutendo kandi nuguhangara omugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho rukwenda Rosefoam ensi y'ebiroto birungi
Otwiro inechetengo chokushuma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kurene kugenda omumisha hishomero ebirukiraho terera notu mshanje ibiri kinana neina 13 Ganitano. Ogambe na academic registrar. Evelyn Health Training Institute, Mbarara City, improving community health.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yakwera utamuyomu mudu nokora echikire wanyo Mpenkoni. Wanyo Mpenkoni nushumurira kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje noenda kuchamuka Mpenkoni
igenda yakini cyo kunywa cyonka
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushisha nyishija Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngashimye de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyuwako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
Mpenkoni wakinkorire
Skylight Hotel restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi embondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burungi bwo murembe aha beyi nungi kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36
noyenda kwishikiriza ikiroto cyawe ecyo kwera amagara g'abantu nitwakira Hafini's Medical University itendekero eritongozibwe okushomesa amashomo agebyobushaho omu East Africa obwa hati nitwakira applications omu mashomonka Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, Weekend Nursing and Midwifery, Medical Education Nurse Tutorship, twine na diploma omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, otebirwe na za certificates omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Pharmacy, hamwe na Bridge Course. Twine laboratory yo murembe eyo mweji ari kubangurirwamo tuyishirire aha mikutu yitu www.fmu.sc.ug tandika urugendo rwawe rw'obusinguzi na Fins Medical University. Fins Medical University okutambira amagara g'abantu nubwo mwete gwitu.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amachemerwa minji ntabarusi yabo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisarya na 5 okora chai chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano ninga not mushanju ina not rukumi
uri mucho wararoteka tekera byo kombeka jeno mu ba Dubai P&C Uganda Limited abari kushangwa omurimba rarasite obwa hata bafurikire kimwe bakarga agarage street no bashanga makanising street a kizimbe cy'aba sister hamwe na hashungine na Chosiga House hamwe na hawe house yabo rwogoma erukushangwa a Victor Bwana Road washumira ahavanda byembaho ogwaza Andrews ahu akatareka makanising kafurikire ahawe house yabo bineho tires nyamwinji enchene mpango nka 60 by 60 na 120 by 60 okurga Twyford Kenya na China mikaso size zona nebikabya adhesive nka quick stick tire adhesive erukusiba tires zempango namabare gahabisika na swimming pools twinitaji shaka waguro mu bwinji transport eruho washika showroom yabe ya hawe house ebintu byona no butandu bata
manager ogito wagito ko kaba tumukidara kaba takagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumye na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze zenyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunywa mbogo
nawo pensiyo na nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
gumizamu n'agacencure abanyishenjero mu district ya Shema baragwere abashubuzi hamwe nabo bona bari kwenda gutandika abo business okurekera aho okutembera egaro mu mahembe
evyona bugambirwa izoba ryanywe bazyaho kuhendera umushomo gw'yesente n'ingashi mindset change and financial literacy ogubire kutebekanisiibwa omuishenjero wa municipality ya Shema Dickson Kateshumbwa hamwe n'ekitongore kya National Social Security Fund ogwetabirwemu abebembezi abashubuzi abineza account omuri za SACCO eziherize kutongozibwa
ngotaronda sento kastaho lero katanga kuno n'ekyo kukora manyetegereza. So, the most important decision, the idea is
integrity, is a business, is a SACCOs, is a couple, yitana kwakansa. Awoku bakine integrity church. Obeso. Awoku muntu noisha ozakwana nawe kabekeni nabo atachikakwata wajirata akeka mweshi nyichakana nagaruka
abarkweguza sente za loan bakatandika kuzichakaza nabo bahirwe cyo gukora
izobe yo kusayingira loan miliyoni 10 atire exercise cy'abantu bagamba ba abantu batandika kuteresa no mawango mbako ine sente no tambura different wali utambura ko kiziriki ata abantu bakurebe ese usitanga kutahamu Steve niko yibicerekano lebukanye no mutatu rataka kusimaga areba munagera ki
iwo kakwate sente za wase ko mutizimo wayombeka hotel ya hopaho umwana atajina kwa kwati nyicha kare ya kitere bei bikase yawe ya kireta yakwa eyo kire mamana gawetso twega okuinterestinga abana bitu ombitukora
bamwe batendekirwe harimo n'aba Ghetto SACCO Association kandi aba basimiro mu ishenjero Kateshumbwa ahabwe bejire
no abo kuba nemishomo nyingi tubeta kugisa mu kitu kemyendo
gwatwegesa na mnonga ombintu omukora kwitu wanoza kukora echo shembe kubano banza teka utakafunda sente ninga shikwenda kuri yaroni ninga shikwenda kufuna sente ho naho kwenda kuziha obanze umanye echo kuza kukora
omushomogu gumazire biro bishatu kandi SACCOs zitendekirwe hamwe n'abashubuzi bahirwe ntandukwa omugani makuru abashomesa mu district ya Shema barikushomesa amashomoga atsi batire hakesharingo barikwenda government bongere mishara yabo.
Government ne ejyaho negira ngo science cyangwa mwongere sente enegrectingo wa arts oyabuza omwana nasa kushoma physics ashome biology omurangweje na teko kushoma science na physics na chemistry mu rujungu mbwe ntato mushomesa wa rangweje uri kubashomesa uwe tubakwenda kumanya
minister kaseje no arts mbwe ko government kare ndaba science agwecha bo yabahiremo
ebyo nabwambe rwizoba rya nyimwe bazyo obabire bashitamira mu kigombe cyabo kandi ababashaziremo obutagaruka kurubatahishomero
abashomesa ogumumuka batakoze ikintu cyona ayishomero no kwakuba okutraininga abana umezano n'ebyeshongoro n'ebindi abashomesa ba arts kwakwenda miliyoni 4 abashomesa ba diploma bakatunga miliyoni 220 ba teachers ba arts bakatunga miliyoni 6 n'icweka aba deputies babo bakatunga miliyoni 4 n'icweka kandi kaka ari percent mushanjo na mushanjo abo kuba hati turi ari percent ya 26
our colleagues aba science bakabongeza 22 haza government yatugira ngo mbe murinzire nitwe twarinda konka tukomere kurinda twarinde bitarukwisha.
Teachers of humanity we matter.
Amakoraga gashakwa Mike atwakire
Webere atwacire Michael abanyakayejo SACCO Limited biguraho itagersya aha omurembo orwambarara n'ikigenderwa icyo kuhasya obuhereza aharba customer babo aba babanza no kutambara kwetorora orurembo rwambarara
nekigenderwa cyo kongera omutindo mu buhereza hamwe no kubusya hiho mu bantu abanyakayejo SACCO Limited biguraho itagersya aho mu rurembo rwambarara
twantambura tukurwana isogoro kandi nekereza ate kwagira goro nerwana isogoro neire tunguka.
Let us not give Ugandans kira loans. Omuntu no mureba oreba capacity ye n'emitwaro 50 but because oyine target yo ku disbursing 100 million a month burcharebeka ho sento korachi oza okuza is a one off. Recovery is a time project. So let us be sure that the money that we are giving is recovery. Otherwise, we are tired.
Chukumbira hatu kushanga omuntu inenda hata eso ni science ezikwereka abantu ko bakozereki okubizende batunguka mwene zo science ezikwenda nyakayoje twereke etari branch cyapa ngo hata mwahiko mtown ngo hata mwishire Kampala apana mutwereke abantu bitu okubarukiro mugoro bakatunguka nayi bakoraki nayi bahika
abanyakayejo SACCO Limited nabamwe abashajikire miliyoni ekorwa okwetebekanisize ekinihiro cya Radio West omwakogu
neraza kubahendeho tujya kubarondera yedashika kazinga hi ezo outside tumurashashuri mwije mugambirire baka yanyu kandi mwenu abente bagabente abebitoke bagabe bitoke abasente muthasente ito ntwembeho yakwa niyo tukushubura
tweka microfinance support center ubuhereza ubutwire ntukoragana na nyakayojo SACCO na no mukago gustwiremo ntamiseriza kugira ngo go mukago tugura feri izoba tutwire nimwe tuzaguma nimwe
kandi mbase kufuna obuhereza obutari umwe na umwe tutwine bwa loan z'ubwonka twine no buhereza bwa fixed deposit ayi tukwereza percentage ya 15 y'impitekateka ngo mu region age niyo mpango eri kusingayo kandi na loan zitu tuzihera ombero bibiri byonka so tweta abantu bona abashobirwe abokwetaga kuyambirwa abacerirwa kwezebwa loan mu institutions ezindi mwize tubase kubakoraho
nyakayejo SACCO ubwa hati yasi amataje mushanjo kwetorore cyanga cha ankore hamwe n'abamemba bari kuhingura umutwaro gumwe nakashanju omugani makuru abavuzi ba bodaboda bo mu rurembo rwa Mbarara nibashabwa kwebembera amehuriro yo kutungura ebyokwerinda omu rurembo rwa Mbarara okurigirira abarukura ebyokwerinda omu rurembo rwa Mbarara n'obujunanizibwa bwa buri muntu wena.
Ebirebi bwana meya twine incidents ezikuripotingwa polisi ez'abakyara abakururepinga barukuhamba haza abakubahamba bamwe nibeshereko mu izina rya bodaboda tutandikanya shaha emwe tutandikanya shaha 12 kusya shaha emwe n'edakika 5 zikuza kuba shaha ibrongo babanza bakwandi bintu so harimu abarikweshereko mu rugo rwa bodaboda ati batekinga advantage victims ababacyara babateka hapiki babatora bacikaka ukanya kibirecho bababihangu bariyo batinda traffic commission babacambira kai omukibera ningo buregera kukamashita ga muhomu ariyo naronda shortcut.
Omuhwezi w'omujwekyo rwa mukuru w'ihanga habwa Mbarara City no z'abanyambarara okwatandisiza hamwe mu kutungura ebyokwerinda ombyanga
bantu baboda kambagambe tugizire ngo umuntu ahakuba narara ashemeye kuba namanywa kugira ngo twantu stressinga omushuma okozise element number this twena ntwasa coordinatinga tumutunje
aha mukorogo hona batongwize enkora ya faras erahwera okutungura omurimo gwa bodaboda omu rurembo erukuhwera abantu okukoragana n'abavugi ba bodaboda barukukozesa tekinologiya
kandi nunungi ahagokuba neyamba ebintu bingi ekyokubanza niwe nyowe nk'omuntu neba yampa security imanya ngu oriya niwe yija kandi nono omureba nokwakugenda obu natuma ngukoni nambeeki.
We have the SOS button whereby it is like a panic button. In case of any doubt, anything that you see unusual on the trip, you can inform someone at home and someone can track you lively.
Ahabwa TV West nde era atiza
webale achiza abahinji n'abana babo omu district ya Kasese abakambikira office ya RDC batabukire minister w'ebyamataka bwanyuma yo kubagira ngo enshonga zabo yahereza amezi 3 okubasa kuzitereza abantu bagira ngo tubari kwija kurga omwanya ogu mpaka government etire hensharo zitaka ryabo n'abarisa.
Government omwaka gw'2007 ekahabarisa n'abahinji itaka rya Uganda People's Defence Forces omu byaro bya Nkoko kayanja yo kubanza kayanja ya kabiri ka Bukero okubantu batura obwanyuma y'obutikiriza n'enshonga z'esharo okubaruka hagati y'abahinji n'abarisa konko kwihobwe tekiguraga enshare za resiro obutikiriza n'obu hagati y'abahinji n'abarisa abwenshongeji abahinji bakarugo myanya yibabe mbatura mbakambika office ya RDC mu Kasese barikwenda government ekora nshongezi. State Minister wa Kanyabwenje no kuhaburi hanga Godfrey Kabyanga kandi nzaro ya district ya Kasese nshongezi nazegekero kweyongera kw'abantu kandi obwitakarita kweyongera.
Otherwise these communities you see here Banyabe, Basongora, Bakonzo, me I was born here and I'm grown up here. They used to live in harmony. The Bakonzo would go to the lowlands and cultivate cotton. When they are harvested, they leave the cattle keepers to do what? To graze. And nobody was fighting for what? For land.
Nshongeji ndahura kashagamo mukama w'abasongora nashaba government okore kiri kubasika kutereza nshongeji ombwire.
Abantu abakungu officials abaine kurera amataka mu Kasese government ya Kasese local government tekubamanya kante kuba kitinisa kante kuba abwire kwikara nabo ngo babaze kurungi betegereze engana ekikubaho instead omuntu na agenda aleta abantu be10 agama ngo bakambinga mu kifika nanka bamwikiza kugenda kubaza tukumbuza inoha ya mahero busobozi kubaze.
Enshongeje resere minister w'amataka umuyanga Sam Mayanja kunkaba turatu basimire byabagambire ngunaza kutereza enshonga zabo mu myezi 3 kandi obwe batire bakambikira omwanya okumarakire.
Abasave abagenda kutandika okusaveinga ettaka lya moyo naje muri. tuwadde emyezi 3 okulaba ng'ekyo kyonna kiwedde.
Naye njagala okukubeera ow'amazima mu bantu abo bonna b'olaba. Ensonga z'olekedde RDC nga walusimbi tezigenda kukolebwa.
Minisita Shabira abantu abakutaha bakarga ofisi ya RDC konka abantu bajyangu tibina hibarukuza okusya enshonga yabo ekozirweho.
Mwe mubeere nga muddayo eka era nzikiriziganyizza era mbasomedde ekiwandiiko kya pulezidenti mwenna mujja kujja nga myezi 3 giweddewo nga buli gurupu oba mwagala ekyapa kyammwe.
So for us, we did not apply for any title from government. We did not apply for any land from government. Our land is there. Only the issue is to open boundaries.
Nobody else can talk. I've given my last word. I've ordered RDC Walusi, whether you like him or not, he is now responsible for this district. He's responsible for this project.
Amakuru agashaka Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.
Webare Gilbert Muhanguzi twaza kumuraho awicweka echa kabiri bitu tutakahumwire nyenda kukumanyisa ngu omwabazi yogu okurugasha 3 okuza shahina twina bahangu okuruga omuri Kabare University kandi bija kuba nibatushomesa abinte bikwatirine no kutaho obusika kandi engenderwaho eyo kuboyine kukuratira okutekaho obusika chete succession plan abantu abo nibija kuba nibatushomesa ebiru kwetengesa echo kuboyine gukora okosheme kuba no chikora aha shayi 3 kuza shahina aha TV West iwecho rakore otewo TV yawe kandi base kugera cyangwa kiwayega umuringo ogwo twaza kumuraho twijene cweka icyaka 3.
Oino mukoro nkembaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona Agacencwire tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room number 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga atano ni 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe
katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugirenda kwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiriti Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka eri cyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka abashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyo murembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyo kutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyo murembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakachiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanye biri kuciraho note mushanju 2 kaga na mushanju 32 kaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Mukamanze nalyachi era ddala kitufu inache walya nguza bizigo kumpi container namba biganye sagala kufaanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula olususu lutwawudde kayibanda omusajja ngobye rususuru nemeseza amaka
gura ebizigo wisige
ebizigo byonna biganye
urususuru kulemesa amaka kikino gulo handi and body cream mbadde mbigulidde mukazi wange.
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder. Efune mu maduuka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
Kabale University invites you to experience a world-class education in the serene hills of Kigezi. We are a public university located in Kabale, southwestern Uganda, that offers programs ranging from certificates to PhDs. Currently, we offer over 70 of them in the disciplines of medicine, agriculture, engineering, technology, art and design, natural sciences, management, education, language studies, and many more. Join us by applying online at admissions.cap.sc.ug, and for more information, visit our website or call the numbers on your screen. Knowledge is the future.
Singira pichipichi na ruhira millennium sako. Okusingira pichipichi noetenga kakonji kamwe ogori kubike mtwara 5 okumara mezi mushanjo otakazihireyo kandi abarasingura ebihembe binde birimente TV screens zirugogoma amasimu gomurembe nebindi nyamwinji nobike mtwara 21 nabwo mari myezi mushanjo otakazihireyo okugura mukonji bwinji nicongere micha yawe yo kusingura akazana kandi kaza kuhendera omukwezi wo 12 awuturaga bire bihembo za mataji ga ruhira millennium sako nganya kitunda ruhira Chivare, Kashumba, Kavyanda, Ngarama, hamwe na Mbarara City utandikiraho kubika ibiri gukiraho tera noti mushaje noti #5 ishaje na 8 shinana nemwe ninga noti mushaje 8 shinana na 8 15 nkaga na mwenda ruhira millennium sako banka yanje banka yawe millennium sako ekuzirebyo kutangwaza
wabula muntame
bukolagana ne Harapa Travel Consultants gaba mazanyu bakugobera ku visa eya UK, US, Canada, Europe, Dubai na walala bakola ku bya passports, eya tickets, hotel bookings bakuyambako n'okufuna emirimu ebweru w'eggwanga balina n'enkola eya kibanja mpola Harapa Travel Consultants entinda ku Haruna Mall level 2 na level 3
amazina alwanyitaka Chabewini shaye tsindukanya hara mugomboro ya Kenshunga district ya Chiruhura nahereze natandika ka branch ka business ngokumukareba nashanganya mu remote area etana mashanyarazi so na decidinga gukora na free solar na mpereza system yabo niho fridge niho haka TV kanje so tinyine nshonga na free solar
mbweniwe oasaruni abamashomero abamaduka abazafamu n'abatunzi benkoko banyine maka abamabara na za hoteli tunga sora ya fresi rero kora magoba ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira bagikanike kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara aho gabusha free evri kukira hotela noti 8 noti hashatu na mkaga hatano na mshanju ngaga ni 5 eyabusha abanyambarara Swift Initiatives Limited baturendera umwana kugwa by'obushubuzi n'oburambuzi ebirabi na mushanju byo kwa mukaga okwisebera mukaga byo kwa mushanju omwagogo omucheka ijatugure ebituri kwetenga habesha zirweho abajubuzi mwije muguze byanyu abamakorero abamahoteli abebyo kunya no kurya abamajuta cosmetics abahinji n'abalisa mutaferwa booking omwanya hati tera noti mushanju notemwe anana mukaga shinana na mukaga shinana na mukaga ninga noti mushanju 3 anane 5 noti 3 bakwinire nenyamisho nyamwinji okurugo muzu embarasi gonya maya engamia nezindi bouncing kasozi swimming train na sakasabwa abana chesiri kutambira bisika no muziki go kuchamura hechiro no mushana okutama main gate ni shirinje 200 no kureba nyamisha ni shirinje 200 abana bishomero hona ni 10 otaferwa
muzeire ukayenzera omwana wawe yashomera muri Kampala ukayenzera omwana wawe agira obwire bwo misho burungi utakarebera handi reba twakuretera umugisha ngugu Green Top School pre-primary and primary twine oburaro burungi abana nibaryaje environment ni nungi nitukurakoranya talent z'abana hari okuzana umupira farming okozesa computer okweshongora nebindi bingi kandi byo kwerinda nibirungi twine motoka zo kubatambuza twine n'abashomesa batendekirweje nitushangwa harumaya nanziga Masaka Road tuterera ha namba z'esimu 052 00 oba tuterera hari 0 anana munana 5 Green Top School pre-primary and primary. Learn today, lead tomorrow. Green Top School is a pre-primary and primary.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using MoMo.
Hi, Mengo Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with MoMo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous, so please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with MoMo. Dial *165 *80# and pay school fees with MoMo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
Otweraronda piki ndungi ezirya mulembe ziranya mpora naryona birakanika za piki aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited abarashangwa kizimba cha Patas Hotel hina roundabout ya Tatitwe Mbarara City bakuletera piki ndungi za roller zebe yesheku hamwe na spare parts za bajaji na senke omuhoro sell na retail nka black pedals za bajaji chain system za bajaji na senke emipira ya piki na tubes omotypes zona za Golden Choice na Bosen Castro Oil Total Lubricants oil za petrol na diesel hamwe na Total Grease UB Aero batteries omuhorosero na riti Comet oil omu half liter na liti 5 otebwe kumenya kika cha roller kirakoza za spares za bajaji boxer kandi wagura n'aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited transport ne yabusha mpako wawe hona mu Western region okushubura tera noti 3 23 nkaga ni 2
They're bossed up like never before with new buddies and your returning faves. From first class to all things shade.
I hate fake people.
Are you stupid? Last season was closed.
I would rather travel with a tripod than travel with high retirement plan.
This one's cunning.
I am husband.
Kampala Cream new season starts Sunday 1 June at 8 p.m. on Pile Magic Prime. Stay connected to DSTV channel 148 and Go TV channel 303.
Yeah, possible.
Looks like whoever drops the ball buys a Pepsi. Go on, Jack. Sonny! Saved by Leah Williamson. Wow, Vinny Jr. Game over.
Wait, there's only one Vinny J.
Pepsi, thirsty for more.
When you talk about innovation, I don't immediately think about flying cars. No, I think about things that solve typical Ugandan problems. For example, a sensor that helps you to know the right watermelon to buy. An alarm system in homes that reminds you to a device that braids hair under 7 minutes. An alert system installed in Parliament sends SMS every time MP starts dozing like this. A lie detector for relationships. I love you.
Say it again.
I love you. Do you have what it takes?
The spotlight is on you. The National Science Week 2025 is here from the 15th to 20th June 2025 at Kololo Independence Ground. Entrance is free to all. Made in Uganda. Innovation to market. This message is brought to you.
A new era has arrived, and it starts with a simple download. Get the new and improved My DSTV app. and get used to more control with streamlined payments, easy error clearing, live chat assistance, and more, all in one app. This is the My DSTV experience, reimagined and upgraded to a whole new level. Download the new My DSTV app from your app store.
Your wedding is just the beginning. Don't miss the Bride and Groom Expo from 27th to the 29th of June 2025 at the UMA Multipurpose Hall. Under the theme, Beyond I Do, building a lifetime together. Come and get tips, products and services you need for I Do and everything after. Tickets are only 10,000 shillings per day. To book a stall, call 0772 354 940. The Bride and Groom Expo is brought to you by Vision Group, Pepsi, Bella Wine and Luke's Bespoke.
Iri zuba nza kutayire cyaro mufite utosha kakuba kuriyo kwesima no kushemerwa nebujumana oyizeze urukugomshaka ukutanga indwara zo mbiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezibawe kukundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba mufti bakabito mushipa kimwe inkanda zona zikazeranira hamwe kushara embazi yebishaka yo kunabisa abana babo umwana nabasa kwesiga Movit Habo Jerry aloe vera ningashe avocado papaya
Movit okweyesiga izoba ryona
umunsi aho rukorora na senyiga biri kutishura ku rugahamuramwa ukabura ubusinje aho rukorora na senyiga biri kurabanisa mu izuba ryawe ukahendera utine cyo yogasire kandi aho rukorora na senyiga biri kurazo tabyame nitwanjura Genacof DS Herbal Syrup eri kukozesebwa okujanja bo rukororo senyiga nakahehero za allergy hamwe n'urukororo ruretwa asthma aho naho Genacof DS Herbal Syrup nekorwa okurwumbisha kabyite by'ubuhangwa ekirizibwa ba National Drug Authority kandi ninungi ahabwa batona bakuru. Genacof DS Herbal Syrup nekorwa aba Gena Herbal Limited abakorire Covidex gishanjumba tundroge mbazigona omuyihanga obusasi kuburagumizemu shirro bahabuzi bw'umushaho. Gena Herbals ekayeme bazechishaka etine kabi nabaramusi ninye Didier Joguba omubaro gw'abantu abari kwingana emitwaro 25 nibafero muri butandu hangutu za Afrika buri mwaka ekindi kinyararekeriza ahabo kwa butandezi nizibasa kwerinda kuratirenda jireji kwerinda butandu otakore kintu cyona waba novuga temikono yombi a steering kandi waba novuga otarya ninga okanywa otakwate simu ninga kutungura radio waba novuga waba uri ha muhanda kuraterebera jiru ebiru kwebwa twena turi namagara gitu twetantare butandu ahanguto za Afrika
tugumizamo namakuru office y'ubugabe bw'abantu mu district ya Chegegwa eshobangirirwe n'encuce ibiri ezanagirweho abazire omunju omwe aine myaka 2 ondija aine myaka 3
nikigamba ngo abazire babo bakaba bizire kupaka so mugombora ya migamba ahi baba nagire bakegendera abana aba omwe no mojo w'emyaka 2 ondijo no muci w'emyaka 3
abana abo bakanagirwaho abazire babo ukubanzanye n'abakabanagaho yabarekera isebo yakara nabo bwire butayito naho yiruka yabasiga abana abo munzu bonka
Jen Kabasinguzi owa office y'obugabe bw'abana ha district ya Chegegwa na jangwe bikorwa byo kunaga abana nibyeyongera bwira bwashesha om district AG
ntwenda kugenda ntwenda kutwara omukyaro owa mama ni bamwetowa
Chegegwa district twine kizibu cy'abana kunagibwaho kiramuno ko kuchegegwa ina abantu bayingi abakutaha mu bashaka kiramuno abakwiza mbali season ebintu ebintu bikurgira naija nanagaho mwana nimusera nabazaire nimusera nabantu bona bakumanye cyaro cyona nibobora
eshonga yo kunaga abana om district ya Chegegwa neje chero butabanko omaka
terera hali abasaiji umtabanko bomaka no bikurgira aho bintu harabe bayiro butabanko bomaka
Amakorago ngo gatya muherwa Agacencwire agutwa twinire ekireki tukusima munonga iwogumere nitwe bitutakahendire nyongera kukwijisya nko kunana kugambire ngu aha shayishatu okuza shahina twina bahangu okurga omurkabare university erikushangwa omurembo orwa kabare nibisha ku bantu batushoborera aha kiragiro ekirukutegeka okutaho busika eco ine kukora engenderwa yo ine kuratira omukutaho busika chete succession plan abantu abo nibisha ku bantu batushoborera okwo bintu ebyo birukorwa okubirije ku bantu okubasa ku bantu otambuza process ejo okuhika aha muheru iwe cyo rakore gumanitwe aha TV West kurga shayishatu okuza shahina na nabantu aba bahango kurga omurkabare university Agacencwire ntwija gahendera ntukusima munonga iwogumene nitwe Serena Nuwamanya na nyine Sande Brian nabandi abitwakora nabo ntubendezo kurara kurunji.
Eshaha zabishatu zekiro na
You can now get all the chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using MoMo.
Hi, Mango Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with MoMo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent, because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous, so please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with MoMo. Dial *165 *80# and pay school fees with MoMo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
Erizuba nsakutayire cyaro mufiti utosha kakuba kuriyo kwesima no kushemerwa. Nebujumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba n'ezibabo kukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba mufiti bakabita omukicupa kimwe enkanda zoona zikaziranira hamwe kusharura emibazi y'ebishaka y'okunabisa abaana baabo omwana naabasa kwesiga Movit Herbal Jelly aloe vera ninga she avocado papaya
Movit okweyesiga izooba lyona.